Hi, my name is Aaron Young, and for my Stackathon, I wanted to create a tool for developers who program in React. One of the pain points of React is that we have to either deal in functions or in classes. Here's an example of a React class. Very often, we start down a road of either with a function or a class, and I realize later on that we need to switch to the other methodology. To do so, I decided to create a plugin called Classy React. And you can go ahead and install it. It's available now. Reload. So once you have the plugin, you can take any React function, for example, this one here, and very simply with a command, Classy React, we can convert it into a class very simply, like so. This takes into account whether there are props. Apparently, I need to fix something. This one didn't quite work. You can take other examples. Here's another example of a function that needs to turn to a class. Just go ahead and just highlight it, like so. Convert it into a class. It should, in theory. Ooh, this one didn't like it either. It was working before. Let's try that one more time. All right, sorry about that. Then last example, here's another example with a whole bunch of props. This will also convert into a class, like so. And it takes into account that the props are now inside of the state, and so it changes everything to this. Also, in addition to taking a function, I can also take a class and turn it into a function. Here's an example of a React class. Now, if I had an intervention, as we like to say here, this would be telling me that this should be written as a pure function, and, well, we need to fix that. So I can take the class and go ahead, like so, and again, this time I want to turn it into a function. So it will come out the original example in case you have some logic there that you need to copy over. But below, we will find a new class with the same name, and will now be a function. Similarly, let's say you have a little bit more complex function. Let's say we have this one here. This has a constructor. This one has a component where we'll see props and a render. I can take one of these. It will automatically skip over any of the lifecycle hooks. And I can again go ahead and convert it into a function. And voila, and what we have is without the lifecycle hooks, we just have just a function, again, with the same name, so nothing else should, in theory, break. So again, my name is Aaron Young, and this was my Stackathon.